नमस्कार, नमस्कार सर, कैसे हैं?
So,
गुड इवनिंग
गुड इवनिंग अमित
गुड
सर,
इवनिंग
कैसे हैं?
नमस्कार मेहता जी। नमस्कार लामा साहब।
मेहता सर, लांबा सर, सबको दीपावली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। और
नमस्कार सर, बहुत आपको भी सब।
Happy Diwali to all of you, sir.
Good evening to all of you.
we all are
कैसे हैं?
Dipali. Over to you, Dipali ma'am.
Okay, sir. So let's begin because we are right on time, sharp at 6, and I think people will still be joining. But meanwhile, we can begin with the show. So very good evening to all of you present here. And I, Dr. Dipali Bhatnagar, Associate Professor, Amity University, Rajasthan, and Honorary Secretary, ISTD Jaipur chapter, would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you to attend this Diwali Milan 2020. And as we know that this year have been a little different from rest of the others, and we were not able to celebrate the festivity to that extent which we generally do. Just excuse me, sir, Mukesh sir, are you admitting people or should I do?
Yeah. Now you are the host, Dipali ma'am, so you can go.
Okay, fine, sir. Am I the co-host?
No, you would be.
You are also a co-host. Okay, fine, sir. I'll just take care. So, just with that thought, because things were not that normal this time, so we thought of organizing a virtual meet at Diwali get together, which have been a long tradition of ISTD chapter. Because I saw a picture of the last Diwali gathering which you all had, and it was very nice to see that. Even we look forward to meet everybody because we are the new members, but nevertheless, this virtual meeting, I'm trying my level best that we, our team, can keep up the dead spirit and connect with each other together. So with that thought, we arranged this meeting. So to begin with, I would like to invite our Vice Chairperson, sir, Dr. Sanjeev Pal, to extend his greetings to the members present here. Over to you,
First of all,
Sanjeev, sir.
thank you so much, Dipali ma'am. First of all, a very warm good evening to all the esteemed dignitaries of our ISTD Jaipur chapter family and each and every one who are being a part of this wonderful celebration of Diwali 2020. As rightly Dipali said that this is the first time we have been a part of this celebration, which is every year done by ISTD Jaipur chapter. And we are extremely grateful to our all the senior members for their support in helping us organize this. As we all know that Diwali is festival of lights, so I just hope that this year this festival of light brings more positivity in our thoughts, in our approaches, more sweetness in our words, and joy in whatever we do. I just pray to the Almighty that all our old habits and attitudes gets transformed to new awareness of hope, spreading the sparkle of goodwill and enthusiasm to all. Once again, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to share my greetings with all the esteemed members. Wish you all a very, very happy Diwali 2020 and a blissful New Year 2021. Thank you so much. Over to you, Dipali.
Thank you so much, Sanjeev sir. I would also like to welcome Pawan sir, Professor Pawan, who recently joined us, and it was really nice of him that he accepted our last minute invitation, which I just gave him maybe 2 hours ago. And sir is Regional Vice President of Rajasthan ISTD. And sir also told me that he'd come here all the way to Jaipur for some wedding ceremony, and provided his availability, which might be very short, he will be surely joining the program. So thank you so much, sir, for coming here. And before you have some other pressing need, I would like to request you to just share a few words and greet the other members here. Over to
At
you.
the outset, I express my heartfelt thanks to the Jaipur chapter of Indian Society for Training and Development on two counts. On the first count, that they have involved me, they rather allowed me to participate in the group, WhatsApp group. Secondly, they have also invited me to the Deepavali Milan's Samaroh today, which is organized to greet our fellow friends there in the society. And third aspect, I want to express the happiness and my gratitude that because of the ISTD platform, I could meet my friends like Anil Mehta Saab, Amit Jain Saab, Mukesh ji, आपके Madam Bhatnagar, along with Colonel J.S. Lamba Saab, who happens to be veteran, and we have been meeting at different platforms. But today it is nice that at the cause of learning and developmental activities, the chance is given to me to welcome all of you, sir. Thank you very much. And at this juncture, I would like to express the greetings on the occasion of Deepavali and see this is the right moment to have the dialogue with my fellow friends here, that in the recent elections held, the northern part could be empowered to do something new, and especially the agenda. Yesterday there was a meeting of office bearers, and before that meeting, a long exercise was done for undertaking the activities, and a lot of work has been done. And I believe that during during next 18 months, a lot of work will be done. And especially when people talk ill about the ISTD organization, and especially when we talk about the Jaipur contribution, I find that in 1980, Professor Arora, Ramesh K. Arora, who happens to be pioneering leader in training and development activities of the state, was the first member. But the weak point seems to be that we could not reach more than 100 persons or so in the total membership. So this is the challenging aspect for us, and let Deepavali give us a chance to enhance our membership, enhance our activity, enhance the L&D ecosystem of the state of Rajasthan, because we all look at Jaipur whenever we go for celebrations. And it is nice that a lot of activities are undertaken at Jaipur Center. Yesterday, there was a presentation by Mr. Gaurav Maheshwari. It was a wonderful presentation, and we also learned a lot because there were many persons who were involved there. And because I'm associated with the WhatsApp group, I got the opportunity to learn a lot of things there. With this note, I would like to stop my speaking, because this is the day of all the members to felicitate and facilitate all and each as the philosophy of training and development activities. And with this note, I express my thanks again. And we will be meeting again and again for different occasions. And if not personally, at least virtually we will be meeting. Thank you very much.
Deepali ma'am, you are on mute actually.
Mukesh ji, oh, great. It is you who made it possible. It is you who made it possible to explore where our RVP is available right now, and you captured me and got me presentable here. Thank you, Mukesh ji.
Thank you for coming, sir, and blessing us. Yeah, Deepali ma'am, over to you. You are on mute, Deepali ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Next, I would like to request the chairperson, ISTD Jaipur chapter, Mr. Mukesh Vyas, to extend the formal greeting to the members present. Over to you, sir.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Deepali. And indeed, it's a pleasure to be there. This is the third Diwali Milan that we are organizing, and it's getting richer day by day. So I think the first one, we had only 5 to 7 members who attended. Then we had around 15, 20, and we are going to, I think, go beyond it now. And that, I think, blessing in disguise, this era has given us. And I welcome you all for this. So today it's all going to be celebrations. It's all going to be vibrance. It's all going to be happiness. So आज के दिन सबसे पहले thanks a lot to Dr. Mehta, Colonel Lamba ji for blessing us. Your words are really great for us. And all the members, I welcome you all. And I thank Professor P.K. Sharma ji for joining us. And I think it's really great to have, and none other than Dr. Jain, who is our everything, who has been blessing us for so many years. So, अब मैं ज्यादा समय नहीं लूंगा, मैंने कुछ पंक्तियां लिखी हैं, उन्हीं से मैं आगे बढ़ता हूं और आज के माहौल को अपन उसी रंग में जमाते हैं। जयपुर चैप्टर के दिवाली मिलन का मौका ये खास है। जयपुर चैप्टर के दिवाली मिलन का मौका ये खास है। आप सबको शुभकामनाएं दे रहा आपका अपना मुकेश व्यास है। हम सबको बांधे हुए ये आईएसटीडी का अनूठा बंधन है। हम सबको बांधे हुए ये आईएसटीडी का अनूठा बंधन है। ना एज का, ना सेक्टर का, ना एज का, ना सेक्टर का, ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट का ये रिश्ता निभाने का अब आजीवन है। ना एज का, ना सेक्टर का, ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट का ये रिश्ता निभाना अब आजीवन है। यहाँ जैसा भी नाम लिया प्रोफेसर शर्मा ने, यहाँ अरोड़ा सर के मोटिवेशन और आचार्य जी की स्पिरिचुअलिटी का अनूठा संगम है। यहाँ अरोड़ा सर के मोटिवेशन और आचार्य जी की स्पिरिचुअलिटी का अनूठा संगम है। वहीं कर्नल लांबा जी का आशीर्वाद सदा हम सब पे कायम है। अमित जैन सर ने सींचा जिसे 10 साल अपने निश्चल भाव से। अमित जैन सर ने सींचा जिसे 10 साल अपने निश्चल भाव से। मेजर देवान जी की ब्रीथिंग मंत्रा से जीते हम शान से। अब हम कुछ पंक्तियां अभी आज के लोगों पे। अब इस सुहाने सफर को नई मंजिल तक ले जाना है। अब इस सुहाने सफर को नई मंजिल तक ले जाना है। जयपुर चैप्टर को नेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म पे लाना है। हम सब साथ हैं तो हर डगर आसान होगी। हम सब साथ हैं तो हर डगर आसान होगी। कहते हैं हम सब मिलकर सबसे ऊंची हमारी पहचान होगी। सो आप सबको आमंत्रित करते इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ आगे बढ़ते हैं। और अगेन थैंक्स अ लॉट टू यू ऑल एंड लेट्स एंजॉय दिस इवनिंग। Thanks a lot. Over to you, Dr. Dipali.
Thank you so much, Mukesh sir. That was really a meaningful creation, and बहुत अच्छे से सब लोगों को weave कर पाई वो, and everybody actually it really meant a lot. The real roles of people were actually expressed in it. So moving on to the next step of the function. Because that poem was really so inspiring. इसी तरह से I would like Dr. Shweta Jain, who have composed a small quiz for all of you. So I would request Shweta ma'am to begin with her quiz. I hope.
Thank you, Dipali ma'am. I hope I'm audible, ma'am.
Hello ma'am. Yes, very clearly ma'am.
Namaskar and greetings to all the senior members and the co-fraternity members. Many of the faces are familiar. Some of you may be seeing me for the first time, but I'm extremely delighted and honored to be a part of this team now. And personally honored to share this platform with my guru, Anil Mehta sir. Namaskar sir. And delighted to see a lot of my old friends, Patra sir and Veena ma'am. Hello. I hope you remember when we met last time. We were traveling to Ajmer in the bus.
Hello ma'am.
Hello sir. अमित सर नमस्कार। हम शायद थोड़े टाइम पहले वहां मिले थे निर्मला ऑडिटोरियम में, राइट सर?
हेलो श्वेता, हाउ आर यू?
नमस्कार सर, प्रणाम।
खुश रहिए।
Delighted to see you sir. So me and Dipali ma'am, we were discussing that if we could add some element of fun and enjoyment to this event. So I have composed 2 small quizzes. One is Know Your Country. It has some questions or fun facts about our country. Different aspects, culture, heritage, architecture, and dance forms and all. And another quiz is a short quiz on Bollywood. So I thought we can start it on a note of entertainment. So Dipali ma'am, you mind if I start first with that cinema-based quiz?
Anything ma'am, please.
Right ma'am. So you need to give me the co-host rights ma'am so that I can share the screen.
Okay, yes.
And I trust we can plan it this way that whosoever knows the answer can put the answer in the chat box, and Dipali ma'am, you can keep a track that who answered first. If you could help me with that.
Yes ma'am, I'm all set with that.
Okay. Thank you ma'am. So in this quiz, I have picked up a few iconic films that Indian cinema has produced over the decades. And since we come from different age groups, so I've picked up cinema from 1950s to this era. And I trust you'll enjoy this small effort of mine. So we are expecting responses in the chat box, and let's see how much do we remember the cinema of our.
Shweta ma'am, I would like to intervene in between.
Yes,
I would like to make clear to the participants that just in case if you are able to identify that, you just need to type a Y in the chat box. The moment you do that, the one who's going to do it first.
Ma'am, here probably they have to write the name of the movie. Here probably they have to write the name of the movie, ma'am. Right. So whosoever writes the name first, can we take that? Right.
Oh, okay. Sure, ma'am.
So whosoever writes the name in the chat box first, the name of the movie, so we can identify who's been the most prompt participant. So here we go. I'm giving some picture clues that would help us identify which movie is this. There are some clues related to either the people who have contributed as maybe director or the music composer or the film stars or the poster. So this is one iconic piece of cinema. I believe most of us have watched it over and over again. So very quickly. Batra sir, you make it right because this is Namak Haram, not Anand. I mean, this attire and this shot comes from Namak Haram. So I was expecting many of us would respond Anand, and it is the same team, Rishikesh Mukherjee, Rajesh Khanna and Amitabh Bachchan. But incidentally, this is not Anand, this is Namak Halal. So Dr. Batra, I was telling Dipali ma'am this morning that perhaps he would be the first one to take this.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right, so moving to the next. This is another iconic scene, I would say. Okay, again, Batra sir has been very prompt with this. And also Amit Jain sir. And I hope we all remember that this is the scene where she reads the note, Aapke paon dekhe bahut khoobsurat lage. Anyone who would like to repeat this dialogue just for the group members to recall those beautiful era of cinema?
Yeah, that will be fun.
Anyone who would, this was a dialogue that Rajkumar spoke in the movie. He actually wrote it on a piece of paper for Meena Kumari in the tray. Anyone? Perhaps Amit sir, we would love to hear it from you if you remember it.
That was forceful.
Okay, so let's move to the next clue. This is the third clue. Okay, Veena ma'am, ये Amar Akbar Anthony नहीं है क्योंकि इसमें विनोद खन्ना नहीं है. This is Kabhi Kabhi, as Mukesh sir has also written, and Batra sir again for the Batra sir. Abhi somebody would probably accuse us of, you know, deal. आप थोड़ा सा.
Okay, अब मैं नहीं लिखूंगा. अब I won't write.
That was on a lighter note.
नहीं पक्का मैं.
But ये Mukesh Vyas sir के लिए. Sir, this is in your credentials. So very quickly, the next one. इस बार भी sir बहुत fast रहे. This is Mr. India. I was trying to pick cinema from different eras. This was another classic piece of cinema. Timeless comedy. Okay, this has come from Amit Jain sir, Angur. Right, sir. This is Angur. And the director was Gulzar. The next one. This is perhaps the finest kind of comedy that Indian cinema has witnessed. Veena ma'am, sorry. Anushri ji, nahi. Amit sir, exactly, it is Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. And it was pronounced to be the finest comedy in Indian cinema when it comes to political satires. So back to back, Amit sir, Mukesh Vyas sir, Batra sir, and Sanjeev sir have responded correctly. Very quickly, the next one. This is another classic. I mean, that Indian cinema can be proud of. Yes, Anushri ma'am, this is Shatranj Ke Khiladi by Satyajit Ray.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dipali ma'am, यहाँ सब cinema buffs हैं. हम ऐसे ही anxious हो रहे थे.
Not expecting, ma'am.
I'm being little slow, Dipali ma'am.
In fact, I hardly recognize anything except Mr. India.
In fact, ma'am, Shatranj Ke Khiladi is one of the very iconic movies and was acclaimed widely.
Yes.
This was one popular cinema that started, yes, Ghayal.
I know.
Ghayal.
Amit sir, ye black hai, right? So this was, they were rehearsing for that very popular scene when she experiences or feels the snowfall. This is another wonderful piece of cinema that we have seen in the early 2000s. Anushri ma'am, it is, Vyasar has written it correctly, it's Rang De Basanti. It's not Mangal Pandey. It seemingly looks like Mangal Pandey, but it is Rang De Basanti. मैम आप सर के लिए भेज दीजिए मतलब विनर का टाइटल बिल्कुल प्लीज कॉन्फर द टाइटल ऑफ विनर ऑन मुकेश व्यास सर क्योंकि बत्रा सर सडनली एकदम साइलेंट हो गए दिस इज प्यासा बत्रा सर दिस टाइम मुकेश सर हैज बीन यू नो आपसे ज्यादा फास्ट हो गए दिस इज अनदर क्लासिक नहीं सर सौदागर नहीं है अब दिस टाइम फर्स्ट टाइम मैम थोड़ा सा ऐसा लग रहा है कि चैलेंज हुआ है नहीं सर सानी भी नहीं है
The level increase हुआ ना, we are on the next stage, that's why.
I'm just waiting if somebody can respond or if you allow me to give the answer, maybe another 3 to 4 seconds.
I would just like to ask who's this one? Galaxy A81X.
Yeah, Professor P.K. Sharma ji, I think he's...
The person have asked me permission to leave. Okay.
I'm Sharma sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Thank you, sir.
Well, this is the classic cinema Reshma और शेरा.
Oh, I think, yeah, that's
मुझे लगा था कि मेरे बताने के बाद जरूर ये निकलेगा सर कि अरे this was like very close. This is Reshma और शेरा.
Rajasthan.
Perhaps if I had put Wahida Rahman ji in this picture, तो बहुत जल्दी identify हो जाता. This is the team of another very popular movie. Right, this is Lagan. I was expecting this to be a quick one. Yes, sir, this is Roti Kapda Aur Makan, and this was the year 1975, and I got to read it somewhere that they used to have this popular music countdown show, Binaka Geet Mala, and in this particular year, even Kabhi Kabhi was released, but the first 3 spots, the annual popular chartbusters, all 3 songs were from this movie.
Hi, Shweta, I have a concern.
Yes, ma'am.
This is pretty unfair. ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर वाले हैं खटाखट चैट पे टाइप कर लेते हैं.
मैम आप अनम्यूट करके बोल दीजिए.
अगला आंसर आ चुका आपका.
आ चुका आंसर सर. आपके रहते हुए आंसर रुक नहीं रहे ना मतलब.
Actually,
this was all from my side. So hope you all enjoyed, friends. Over to you, ma'am. मैं आपको एक बार वापस से host बना देती हूँ, so that and ma'am, you can give me the co-host rights कि आगे video play करने के लिए problem नहीं हो. You can keep the host rights with you and give me the co-host rights. I'll stop sharing the screen. सर जितनी अमेजिंग आपकी कविता थी उतना ही अमेजिंग आपका पार्टिसिपेशन था इन द क्विज.
Thank you.
Ma'am, there's no option as making a co-host. Only making host is available. So just after this, I would really now because you are having that video, the one
Yes,
which you need to play the poem video. So am I still the host? Have you made me the host, or should I make you?
मैम आपको वापस we have to keep switching then. आपको एक बार वापस मुझे host बनाना
Right.
होगा.
So I'm making you the host because you are going to help me out with this one.
Yes,
So moving on to our next performance, as you know that poems are the best way of expressing oneself. So here we have our next performer, Miss Ishanvi Batra, daughter of Durgesh Batra sir. She penned down all her emotion and she created a beautiful composition. The title of the poem goes like "Night is coming and darkness is falling," and the expression which she have with which she have conveyed the poem is really awesome. So I would like you all to witness the same. Shweta ma'am, please can you play that?
जी हाँ. Just give me a second, ma'am. मैं एक बार sound settings इसका कर दूँ. And ma'am, एक बार confirm कीजिएगा if the audio and video all is
Hello
okay.
everyone, I'm Ishanvi Batra.
Yes,
Today
yes.
I'm going to recite a poem written by myself. The night is coming, darkness is falling. The night is coming, darkness is falling. Wind is blowing, people are snoring. The night is coming, darkness is falling. The lights are going off, the moon's light is turning on. The darkness is there, everywhere. But I swear, light will be there. The night is coming, darkness is falling. The stars are twinkling, the owls are howling, but there's always a path. What trees are whispering. The night is coming, darkness is falling. The hurdles are big, roads are tough. Follow the rules, what heart is telling. The night is coming, darkness is falling. Thank you.
I hope, ma'am, it was played without any interruption.
Yeah, ma'am, the connection at my end is a little weak. So for me, I think it was a problem. But
If there's a
otherwise it
problem,
had
I
been
can
very
replay
smooth.
this. Batra sir, was it played?
Yes,
was
ma'am.
pretty clear.
At my end, it was okay, very clear.
And congratulations to Ishanvi, Dr. Batra. You are really blessed to have this Ishanvi as your daughter. Amazing.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I just
And
opened my video for
actually,
everyone.
Hello.
Hi, Ishanvi. Lovely poem.
Thank you.
It was really meaningful, Ishanvi. With very beautiful composition you've made. God bless you.
Thank you.
We loved it, Ishanvi.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone for the blessings.
Okay, so taking it a step further, I would now like to request one of the most eminent personality present among us, Professor Amit Jain sir, who is the Pro Vice Chancellor of Amity University, Rajasthan, and member of National Council, IS. So we would like request you, sir, to extend your greetings to the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Dipali. I hope I am audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. So, Diwali greetings to all of you. वैसे तो अनिल मेहता जी हैं और लांबा साहब हैं, तो पहले इनका बोलना बनता है, बट मेरे ख्याल में मैं पहल लेना चाहूँगा इन दोनों से आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए सबसे पहले, और इसलिए मैं पहले बोल रहा हूँ. So बहुत बहुत नमन प्रणाम आप दोनों को.
उसका एक reason भी था, Amit sir, I would like to intervene. The reason was also because I know that it's a tough time for you, और आप थोड़ा भी time निकाल के यहाँ पे आ पाए, that is really a thing of honor for all of us. तो मुझे लगा कि कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि सर को free होना हो, that's why I requested.
नहीं, बिल्कुल. तो सबसे पहले तो नमन और प्रणाम मेहता जी को, लांबा जी को, सभी कलीग्स को मेरी दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं. और आप में से काफ़ी लोगों ने अपने कंसर्न्स, अपने मैसेजेस के थ्रू काफ़ी चीज़ें पिछले एक महीने में शेयर करी, जिन लोगों को पता है. आई रियली हैड अ टफ टाइम लास्ट 1 month. 26th of October, my father suffered a heart attack, and immediately in the night of 26th, I rushed driving down to Indore. Next day morning, I was there. And because it is a COVID time, it was very difficult. There are so many relatives in Indore, but it was not possible for any, because it was a very difficult time in Indore also from COVID point of view. And so mom was alone in hospital the entire night. Dad was in ICU. And unfortunately, next day, he was found COVID positive. with a lungs pneumonia also. So he battled for his life for almost 10 days in ICU, but God has been great and kind to us and everything. And in fact, I believe शायद दिवाली पे आप लोगों से आज के दिन मिलना था और शायद दिवाली पिताजी को घर पे मनानी थी, इसलिए दिवाली के जस्ट एक दिन पहले हम घर वापस आ गए 15 तारीख को, 14 तारीख शनिवार को, और सब कुछ ठीक है। पापा बहुत अच्छे से रिकवर कर रहे हैं। लंग्स निमोनिया ठीक होने के बाद हमने 2 एंजियोप्लास्टी करवाई पापा की, क्योंकि हार्ट अटैक भी था, लंग्स निमोनिया भी था और कोविड पॉजिटिव भी आ गए थे। इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट 7 डेज में वो कोविड वापस से नॉर्मल आ गया था उनका, पर फिर भी हमने 5-7 दिन वेट किया, एक और डबल कोविड टेस्ट कराया और उसके बाद फिर सर्जरी हमने एंजियोप्लास्टी कराई। सो इट वाज अ टफ टाइम। काफ़ी लोगों के मैसेजेस भी आए थे। आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर मैं सबको ठीक से सही वक्त पर जवाब दे पाया या नहीं दे पाया, क्योंकि वो 10-15 दिन आई थिंक कि मोस्ट डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम मेरे लिए रहा। और उसी दौरान कलीग्स का भी बहुत अच्छा, मेरे काफ़ी सारे कलीग्स इस ग्रुप में अभी हैं जिनका सपोर्ट मिला, जिस वजह से यूनिवर्सिटी का सारा काम भी चलता रहा, मैं हॉस्पिटल में भी देख सका। बहुत ज़्यादा हॉस्पिटल जाके कुछ करने के लिए नहीं था क्योंकि आईसीयू में थे डैड और कोविड था, तो जाना भी अलाउड नहीं था। बट आई एम सो ग्लैड मेदांता इंदौर में फादर रहे और बहुत अच्छे से उन्होंने ट्रीटमेंट किया। आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू दी डॉक्टर। और इतना मेरा उन डॉक्टर से कनेक्शन हो गया कि आज मैं कल ही शाम को मैं जयपुर लौटा हूँ, पापा और मम्मी को साथ लेके आया हूँ ड्राइव करके। और आज सुबह जो हार्ट स्पेशलिस्ट हैं डॉक्टर भरत रावत, उन्होंने खुद ने पर्सनली वीडियो कॉल किया और बोला अमित मुझे चिंता हो रही थी कि तुम कल लेके जा रहे हो, पापा आप ठीक है, मुझे बात करा दो पापा से। तो इतना उन सभी से भी सहयोग रहा और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सभी को। दिवाली की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। और बस आज शाम को मैं अब यहाँ से जयपुर के घर से मम्मी पापा को कैंपस ले जा रहा हूँ ताकि वहाँ उन्हें ज़्यादा आराम मिलेगा। नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट है, नो पोल्यूशन, नो डिस्टर्बेंस। और आई एम श्योर बहुत जल्दी रिकवर कर रहे हैं, थोड़ी बहुत वीकनेस है बट नाउ ही इज़ फिट एंड फाइन। थैंक यू सो मच। आप सभी के समय समय पर मैसेज आते रहे और मैं मुश्किल से 1 या 2 शब्दों में मैं जवाब दे के आप लोगों को अपडेट देता रहा, बट थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर ऑल योर कंसर्न। आई एम रियली सरप्राइज्ड, वीना मैम का भी मैसेज आया था, मैंने कहा कैसे मैम पता लगा, मैंने तो किसी से बात नहीं करी है, पर आप लोग इतना ध्यान रखते हैं, आप लोगों का इतना अपनापन है और मैं बहुत कृतज्ञ हूँ आप सभी के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you so much, sir. It was really nice hearing from you. Next, I would request our esteemed member, Professor Anil Mehta, sir, to grace us with his words. Anil, sir, over to you.
Thank you, Dipali ji.
Welcome, sir.
My esteemed friend, young friend, Dr. Amit Jain. My senior friend, Dr. Mr. Lamba, Dipali ji, Veena ji, Dipali ji, Mukesh ji, और फ्रेंड्स, सबसे पहले तो आप सभी को दीपावली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। और मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि अमित जी पिछले 1-1.25 महीने से जिस स्ट्रेस में थे, ईश्वर की बड़ी अनुकंपा रही और साथ ही साथ अमित जी का जो सेवा भावना रही अपने पिताश्री के लिए, शायद उसी का परिणाम ये है कि ईश्वर की कृपा से वो काफ़ी रिकवर कर गए, बहुत स्वस्थ हैं। तो व्यक्तिगत तौर पर और आईएसटीडी जयपुर चैप्टर के सभी मेंबर्स की ओर से उनके शीघ्र स्वास्थ्य लाभ के लिए बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। हम सब की ईश्वर से कृपा है कि दुआ है कि वो शतायु हों और लगातार रिकवर करें और बहुत अच्छे से मतलब सब कुछ चलता रहे। तो आपको उसके लिए भी बहुत बहुत बधाई। और हम सभी की जो शुभकामनाएं हैं वो पिताश्री को आप जरूर से कन्वे कीजिएगा सभी मेंबर्स की ओर से। मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि पिछले कई महीनों से अमित जी और अब मुकेश जी के अथक प्रयासों से आईएसटीडी चैप्टर दोबारा से वाइब्रेंट हो गया है और एक थोड़ा सा एक एक आशंका थी कि कोविड की वजह से शायद एक्टिविटीज पूर्णतः ठप पड़ जाए, लेकिन शायद जैसा हम बोलते हैं ना कि आपदा को भी अवसर में बदलने की बात थी, तो जिस तरह से आजकल व्हाट्सएप मैसेज चल रहे हैं, जितनी एक्टिविटीज हो रही हैं, प्रोग्राम्स हो रहे हैं, तो निश्चित तौर पर ISTD जयपुर चैप्टर काफी सक्रिय हो गया है। और मुझे लगता है कि आने वाले जो हमारे कुछ महीने हैं उसमें और प्रोग्राम्स होंगे, और जो एक हमारा स्वप्न है कि ISTD जयपुर चैप्टर नेशनल मैप पर एक प्रोमिनेंट प्लेस बना के रखे, तो वो समय ज्यादा दूर नहीं लग रहा। श्वेता ने बहुत अच्छा क्विज ऑर्गेनाइज किया, बड़ी मेहनत की, और जब ये क्विज चल रही थी और मुकेश जी और बत्रा और बाकी लोग जिस तरह से जवाब दे रहे थे, मुझे थोड़ा सा एक लग रहा था कि इस विधा में भी पारंगत होना चाहिए, और अगली बार जब दिवाली मीट होगी तब हम अच्छी तैयारी के साथ आएंगे ताकि हम भी ऐसे ही रेस्पॉन्ड कर सकें। हमारे चैप्टर में बहुत टैलेंटेड लोग हैं, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं, और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि बहुत डाइवर्सिफाइड ग्रुप के लोग हैं। लांबा साहब बहुत सीनियर हैं और मेरा बहुत सानिध्य रहा है, कई यात्राएं मैंने की है लांबा साहब, और जो सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर जो लांबा साहब का है, और जो लोग साथ रहने का जिन्हें मौका मिला है लांबा साहब के, वो जानते हैं कि वो कितने लाइवली व्यक्ति हैं। अमित साहब बिल्कुल डाउन टू अर्थ हैं, दो इज प्रो वाइस चांसलर, लेकिन इतने सहज और सरल हैं कि पता ही नहीं लगता कि ही इज ए प्रो वाइस चांसलर। जितने स्कॉलर हैं उतने ही वो डाउन टू अर्थ भी हैं। और तो मैं ये कह रहा था, जैसे वीना जी हैं, बहुत अच्छे प्रोग्राम्स करती हैं, सभी लोग एक से एक टैलेंटेड लोग हैं, और ये बहुत अच्छा एक समूह है। और मुझे लगता है कि जब ये कोविड प्रॉब्लम खत्म होगी तो हम लोगों को रूबरू होने का अवसर मिलेगा, और निश्चित तौर पर हमारी फेलोशिप तो बढ़ेगी, लेकिन जो संबंध है वो प्रोफेशनल रिलेशंस तक कन्फाइन ना रहकर हमारे पर्सनल रिलेशंस भी बहुत डेवलप होंगे, और सबको बहुत फायदा होगा। हमारी संस्था एक बहुत ही जीवंत संस्था है, बहुत पुराना इतिहास रहा है। प्रोफेसर अरोड़ा से पहले डॉक्टर अनिल खंडेलवाल, और उसके बाद यूसी जैन साहब, टीसी जैन साहब, कर्नल लामा, डॉक्टर गीतिका कपूर, और बहुत अच्छे अच्छे लोग रहे हैं और लीडरशिप दी है। और अब जो यंगस्टर्स की टीम आ रही है वो तो बहुत अच्छी टीम है। दीपाली बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है। तो इस दिवाली पर मेरी ओर से आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, और शायद हम सभी की ये भावना रहनी चाहिए और रहेगी कि इस संस्था से हम जो कुछ प्राप्त करेंगे, हमें से प्रत्येक सदस्य जितना प्राप्त करेंगे उससे ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूट करने की किसी भी रूप में चेष्टा करेगा और चैप्टर को आगे बढ़ाएगा। और हमारी सबकी कोशिश मिलकर यही होनी चाहिए कि जो बेस्ट चैप्टर अवार्ड है वो हमारे चैप्टर को मिले। तो मुकेश जी की लीडरशिप में हम सभी लोग मिलकर ये प्रयास करेंगे। तो एक बार पुनः आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया दीपाली का, खास तौर से जिन्होंने इस प्रोग्राम को ऑर्गेनाइज किया, दिवाली मीट का। और एक संशय था कि पता नहीं प्रोग्राम कैसा हो पाएगा, ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, वो भी दिवाली मीट कर रहे हैं, तो सक्सेसफुल हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा। लेकिन ट्रू सेंस में आप सभी लोगों से मिलकर और जिस तरह का जो वातावरण पैदा हुआ है, ये लग रहा है कि शायद हम बहुत सफल रहे हैं। और एक संशय रहता है कि सब ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम नहीं हो सकते, इसको हमने काफी सीमा तक इस धारणा को हमने समाप्त कर दिया है। जो सेशंस हो रहे हैं और जो होंगे और जिस तरह हम प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, तो डेफिनेटली ये एक बहुत अच्छा प्रयास है। और ISTD चैप्टर ने इस क्राइसिस को जिस तरह से अवसर में तब्दील किया है, उसके लिए सभी लोग बधाई के पात्र हैं। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं सबको मेरी ओर से। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर योर इंस्पायरिंग वर्ड्स। बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आपसे सुन के। और एक्चुअली मेरा अकेले का कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है सर, पूरी टीम का बहुत अच्छा एफर्ट रहा। मुकेश सर, संजीव पाल सर, श्वेता मैम, सब लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से चीजों को संभाला। तो देन वी वर एबल टू पुट अप दिस इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम। एंड आई एम रियली ग्लैड कि आपको पसंद आया, आपको अच्छा लगा ये चीज। और वो बॉलीवुड वाला तो एक और क्विज आने वाला है सर, सो यू डोंट वरी, यू हैव टू फास्टन योर सीट बेल्ट स्टिल। तो अभी वो एक और फेज है उसका आने वाला है वो। So moving on to the next performance, हमारी जो next performance है, it will definitely going to move your hearts and sink your heart into the depth of music. So here we have Veena Arora ma'am performing along with Rajvi Arora on a beautiful song. So Veena ma'am, can we have you?
Thank you, Dipali ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
Very good evening to all of you and happy Diwali. So I wouldn't speak anything much because we trainers are in the habit of speaking too much. तो आज सिर्फ एक song जो कि राजवी मेरी daughter और मैं हम साथ में गाना बड़ा पसंद करते हैं. And fortunately, we both are fond of singing also. So without wasting any more time, I hope you enjoy the duet. So without any music, we start off, right? फूलों के रंग से दिल की कलम से तुझको लिखी रोज पाती कैसे बताऊं किस किस तरह से पल पल मुझे तू सताती तेरे ही सपने लेकर के सोया तेरी ही यादों में जागा तेरे ख्यालों में उलझा रहा यूं जैसे कि माला में धागा हाँ बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार हाँ इतना मधुर तेरा मेरा प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार सांसों की सरगम धड़कन की वीणा सपनों की गीतांजलि तू मन की गली में महके जो हरदम ऐसी जूही की कली तू छोटा सफर हो लंबा सफर हो सूनी डगर हो या मेला या तू आए मन हो जाए भीड़ के बीच अकेला हाँ बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार हाँ इतना मधुर तेरा मेरा प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार पूरब हो पश्चिम उत्तर हो दक्षिण तू हर जगह मुस्कुराए जितना ही जाऊं मैं दूर तुझसे उतनी ही तू पास आए आंधी ने रोका पानी ने टोका दुनिया ने हंस के पुकारा तस्वीर तेरी के लिए मैं कर आया सबसे किनारा हाँ बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार हाँ इतना मधुर तेरा मेरा प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार कई कई बार. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for such a melodious performance. It was surely a treat to the ears. And the way you were singing casually, बहुत ही without a music, it was really so touching. Song भी बहुत अच्छा था. Beautiful song selection and beautifully sung. Thank you so much, ma'am. And thank you, Rajvi, as well. God bless you. Okay, so next we have again a small quiz to boggle your mind. Again, that is based from Bollywood, and I will be showing you few pictures, few clippings. They are not from the movie, but yes, you can associate name of a movie with that picture. So again, you'll have to type a Y in the chat box, and then you can name the movie. Or maybe you can type the name of the movie. That would be better, the way you did earlier. So moving on to this quiz. Shweta ma'am, are you the host just now?
You have the host rights, ma'am. You can share your screen. You have the host rights.
Thank you so much, ma'am. A moment. Hello, Shweta ma'am, am I audible?
Ji, ma'am.
Okay. I'm not able to share it because of weak connection. So I'll be mailing that PPT to you. And
Right, ma'am.
meanwhile, we'll have our next performance and I will mail.
Right, ma'am. मैं download करती
So
हूँ. जी.
next we have the mesmerizing dance performance by Ishanvi. She's not only a poem creator, but she's also a very good dancer. So, Shweta ma'am, can you just play that video, Ishanvi's dance?
Ma'am, if you could give me the host rights, I would share the screen.
Yeah, somehow it was with me. I have done it. Shweta ma'am, go on.
Yes, sir, please. Thank you so much, sir. So एक बार confirm कर दीजिएगा if audio, video, everything is in, no, without interruption.
Yes, yes.
पहला दिया उन सभी वीरों के नाम। हैप्पी दिवाली।
I hope, ma'am, it was played well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for the help. Next,
Pleasure, ma'am.
we have. Thank you so much, ma'am. I've mailed the PPT to you. Have you received?
1 minute, ma'am, मैं भी देखती हूँ. Not yet, ma'am. आया नहीं अभी तक.
Okay, ma'am, I'm having some connection issue. Nevertheless, we can continue with our other performances, which are really very interesting. So we have our next another electrifying performance, a very vibrant dance performance by Master Apratim Vyas, son of Mr. Mukesh Vyas. So I'm sure that he's going to steal away with the show by his electrifying performance. So Mukesh sir, can you start with that?
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Apratim, for that rocking performance, and you really made it so well, so gracefully you danced. Thank you so much.
Dipali ma'am, I've received your PPT.
So please share it because I'm able to do it today.
Right.
And in fact, I would like to compliment everybody. Everybody is looking so nice and vibrant. I'm so thankful that you all followed the code and you were dressed into traditional. That was really great. Yes, ma'am. So we can start with the first picture. Again, I will take care of the chat box, though responses are coming a bit late in my chat box due to slow connection.
Right, ma'am.
Still, I'll try to keep a track of it. Yes, we can begin with the first picture. So here it is. If you can associate this picture with some movie, name of the movie. Oh, wow. So we got a right response. Shweta ma'am, Bombay to Goa. We guessed it right because the road signifies that the film was on road and there were two main characters, Rajesh and Khanna in the movie. So this is how we need to associate that.
Honestly, ma'am, पहले मुझे लगा it is जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना. Looking at the road and Rajesh Khanna.
Okay, the next picture, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
That's an easy one. And I'm looking with high expectation at Mukesh sir and Batra sir.
Ma'am, Veena ma'am has taken the lead this time.
You were right, Veena ma'am, and Batra sir too. That's same.
Next.
One ma'am.
जादू वाली पीछे थी ना?
It's tricky.
Batra sir has responded, ma'am. कुछ होता है. I could hear Apratim saying कोई मिल गया sir, but थोड़ा सा miss हो गया. This is कुछ होता है.
कुछ होता है, right.
Right, ma'am. Moving to the next picture.
Yes.
कौन सी थी? रजनी.
Yes, the right
Veena
answer.
ma'am is right.
God, again, it's Veena ma'am. Again, it's Veena ma'am. All the.
But ma'am, ये Amar Akbar Anthony also seemingly falls in sync with the clue.
हाँ तो मैम 2 options दे देते हैं फिर.
Oh my God.
Next one, ma'am. Okay. This again is a tough one.
Really didn't.
No, sir. Drishyam, yes. Batra
Batra
sir
sir
gets it right. Next one. Right, Veena ma'am. 2 states. That's 2 states.
Good.
These caps were worn by 2 characters, so I think it's Anushri ma'am. Andaz apna.
Ma'am, वो incomplete था, आपने बता दिया answer, but Veena ma'am has written Andaz अपना.
She was.
नहीं, I tell you ना, वो लिखने में उसके पहले कोई और जाता है.
इसने got that ma'am कि आप पूरा लिखना चाहते हो. Next one, ma'am. This is very simple. Correctly guessed. Again, Anushri ma'am. Batra sir ने भी HM तो लिखा ही था. Okay, this one. It was a comedy movie. No, not Dhoom 3. It was a comedy movie. And yes, Hera Fairy. That's right. Mukesh sir. Shweta ma'am, next one. You have to guess the song either.
Did say.
Yes, right. Amit sir, Mukesh sir also. The actor, this is a signature step of that actor.
Mithun.
Yes, it's Mithun, and the movie is
Disco Dancer.
Disco Dancer.
Right.
Raj Kapoor.
Yes.
Nargis.
Iconic there. And which movie?
Awara.
ये मूवी शायद 3-420 है ना मैम?
मैम श्री 420 है.
हाँ, मूवी श्री 420.
Yes. So Batra sir was again right. This is very simple. ये तो सिर्फ टाइपिंग स्पीड पे डिपेंडेंट है.
कश्मीर की कली.
Yes. That's right. That's right. This one again is very easy.
हिम्मत वाला.
Yes. इस बार टाइप भी नहीं कर रहा सर ने. Correct. And
नमक हलाल.
Yes. So Mike, no need to type now.
Voice game खेलते हैं.
Ma'am, next. This one. Little tricky. अप्रतिम गेस कर रहे हैं.
भूतनाथ.
No
Close
sir.
है sir.
चमत्कार.
Yes.
Right, but
Yes, very true.
और यहाँ कोई contradiction
ये आ गया. इश्क आ गई है तो.
इश्क आ गई है तो.
मरा.
And the last one.
मस्ती.
No sir.
चीज बड़ी मस्त मोरा.
Yes.
मोरा.
Oh right. मोरा. बिल्कुल सही sir. तो मैक्सिमम आई थिंक सो बत्रा सर और मुकेश सर ये दोनों के बीच में टाई हो रहा होगा.
नहीं मैम, वीना मैम, this time Veena ma'am was very active. and Anushri.
Wow, that's good.
This was fun, ma'am.
So we have another quiz. No, before that, before having another quiz in a row, I would request one of the most esteemed member of our fraternity, the all, sir, to address us all. And sir, you are really being very graceful with that cap and attire. We followed the festive one. I'm so thankful for this. But to you, sir, we would like to hear from you. Lamba sir, I request you to address the gathering. Lamba sir, you need to unmute your mic, right? Still not audible.
Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear
Yes,
me,
sir,
sir?
now you are audible.
Oh, fine. Good evening and very warm greetings to all the ladies and gentlemen and the smart children. It has been something very special, making in a new normal conditions and adding so much charms to the chapter and its esteemed member. Something very special to have all this. I only would like to share two facets of life. One is greetings, people. I conduct various programs, and one takeaway thing which my students and audience takeaway is wish everybody. So they will start wishing in their own, at home, outside in a street, whole day. So each one gives suppose 200 wishes to people. So each one of the member who receives the wishes, one each, whereas you receive 200 wishes are reciprocated to you. So by evening you are charged so much, and a sense of acknowledgement of your as well of those individuals. You have acknowledged each individual so much. So what has happened in this world of ours is that we need to get down to wishing. In military, I have served 42 years. And whole day, I'm from Gurkha. Gurkha has a habit, once he walks in, he salutes you. When he leaves, he salutes you. Again, he meets you outside, he salutes you. So whole day, each officer gets almost many hundreds of salutes whole day. And he also salutes to his seniors. Saluting means again wishing, greeting the other senior or senior. When we pay mark of respect, we return. So if you salute a journal, the journal will salute you back. So you feel very happy, a journal has saluted me. Here the elders salute you back. So one day here over in Jaipur, I used to go for a run in the morning and I met an old man. And I have a habit of wishing everybody. So I wished him. So when I wished him, oh God, he touched the Mother Earth and he started walking and he says, Ram Ram Saab continuously. So I returned. And I said, Baba, मैंने आपको राम राम क्या आप लगातार राम राम कहते जा रहे हैं? अरे साहब, जिंदगी में पहली बार किसी ऑफिसर ने हमको राम राम बोला है. Look at the acknowledgement. Look at the sense of satisfaction. So this has percolated down many ways, in different way in my life as well with my wife. When my wife joined me in the army, she saw that who is this man, that is husband, and we are stranger to each other till last day, even today. So what has happened is very unique. When she saw that my Johnny military man come ladies. So when he comes, he salutes my wife. When he leaves, he salutes me and my wife. Then every day, whole day. So my wife was so hypnotized that when after a while I found she put on my cap. There were 8-10 caps hanging on the pack, and she gave me such a smart salute. So I was taken aback. How come? She said everybody in her mind it went in that look at this man is very big. All people salute him whole of the day. Till date we have no problem as husband and wife because of the crux of the issue that salute each other. There was another gentleman I met here in an international club. The husband wife call each other madam and sir. I was really taken aback because this is not a culture in the army. So I inquired from them after my program that, sir, I'm really touched by your humility towards your own wife. And then I asked the lady that what a respect you have calling your husband as a sir. She says, Colonel Lamba, this sir and madam words have made us to conduct in the manner we are supposed to. Look at this fantastic message. So this indirectly, again, sirring means you are not considering anybody superior to you, but you pay kind of respect to him. In South India, a large number of people have a habit of sirring everybody. Chai wala sir, you sir the chai wala, anybody and everybody. So this is a unique phenomena of a sense of belonging to the humanity society at large. So you part of the whole and whole becomes part of you. So you are never a stranger anywhere in this world. What to talk of ISTD chapter? One factor. Second is people and places. In military, we keep moving from one place to another 2 to 3 years of postings, and meet all kind of cultural aspect, every kind of different languages, different people, and we become so friendly that we accept this society at large part of us, and we are part of them. While after having served in the army,
I think the connection went a little bad there.
Shall we proceed, Dr. Dipali?
Okay, ma'am, sir's message is over because I also got disconnected in between. Is it?
No, yeah. So I think he got disconnected. Maybe, yeah, please.
And I think sir is also not online just now.
Yeah, he got disconnected, I think. Yeah.
Okay, so moving ahead with the last item in the kitty, we have another quiz which is a little GK based. Lot of Bollywood stuff happened recently, so we have a GK based quiz again prepared by Dr. Shweta Jain. So over to you, ma'am. Can you start displaying the screen?
Right, ma'am. So this is just a small quiz like knowing India a little more, and we proceed on the same lines. We can put our answers in the chat box. So you have to identify which prominent historical monument is this. I should not call it a historical monument, but it is a prominent site. So Mukesh sir has answered A. Amit sir also answers A.
Correct seems C now, with the tone you are saying.
The answer is C, as Batra sir has answered. It is at Ladakh, Shanti Stupa. The next question. This is a very popular 4-tier waterfall located at one of the prominent states in India. Okay, so if somebody would like to share the name of the waterfall along with the answer. So answer has come. Dr. Batra responded C. So did Sanjeev Pal sir. Right, sir, it is Dudhsagar at Goa. This is the second highest mountain peak in India. Mukesh sir has responded C, that is the correct answer, Nanda Devi. Because often people get confused saying Kanchenjunga to be the second highest, assuming K2 to be highest, but K2 is in the Pak occupied Kashmir. So we count Nanda Devi as the second highest peak. This is the longest lake in India. Batra sir is right. This is Vamanad Lake at Kerala. This is the longest one. This is a classical dance form and it has derived its name from the village that it was born at. So. Dipali ma'am, you're right. This is Kuchipudi.
Village.
Seemingly all three forms appear to be the same when we look at the attire and the overall dress up. This is a very popular traditional wear in one of the Indian states. Mehta sir is right. No, I'm sorry, Mehta sir is not right. I'm sorry. Well, the answer is Mekhla Sari. Mukesh sir is right.
No, I played tricky. You both were wrong, so I told you.
Okay, this is Mekhla Sari, sir. This is a popular attire in Assam and other northeastern states. This is another popular traditional form of painting. This is Varli painting, popular in many parts of Maharashtra. A very noted social reformer. She was a pioneer in women's education. I was expecting many of would answer as Fatima Sheikh looking at the attire, but this is Pandita Ramabai Saraswati. This is tricky because this is Pandita Ramabai Saraswati. Yes, the look seemingly gives an appearance of Fatima Sheikh. This is a prominent historical site. Sanjeev sir, you're right. This is Nalanda. This is the ancient Nalanda University site, which is now a World Heritage Site. This is something that comes from post-independence era. The first state to be created on the basis of language, post-independence. This is Andhra Pradesh, Dipali ma'am, you're right. Post-independence, Andhra Pradesh was the first state to be carved out on the basis of language. Next question. Which of these cities is known as City of Palaces? Mukesh says right. The answer is Mysore. Almost everybody is right. Now this is something I picked. These are some iconic buildings located at Mumbai, and they have a special identity associated with them. So one of these combinations are incorrect. So if anybody could identify which one is incorrect. Mukesh sir has answered A. Sanjeev sir has answered C. Sanjeev sir is right. The answer is C because BSC Towers is better known as Feroz Jijibhai Towers, and Bombay House is the Tata Group headquarters. Mumbai World Trade Center was developed and constructed by Shapoorji Pallonji Group, but it is not their headquarters. So the answer is C. How many islands are there in the Andaman and Nicobar group? Well, this is incorrect answer, and if somebody guesses because B is incorrect, then somebody would write A or C. The correct answer is C. There are 572 islands in total in the Andaman and Nicobar Island group. I hope all are enjoying this, knowing a little more about our country. Now, this is a very simple question. How many states and union territories do we have in total as on date? Presently, we have 28 states and 8 union territories. Amit Jain sir is right. 28 states and 8 union territories. Now, when we look at different sources on internet, you get different answers to it. But when
आंसर दिया है
सर आपको अब कोई क्रेडिट नहीं देंगे, वो सब अभी शानवी की किटी में है. She has, kind of stolen the entire limelight. These are the prominent bridges in India, but there is something common about 3 of them. One is an odd one, and this time I would buy the right answer only if it comes with a logic or a rationale or a reason why the particular bridge has been picked as an odd amongst the group. So with the answer, this clarification also has to come. सर आप बी लिख रहे हैं व्यास सर, आप इसका रीजन भी दीजिए अगर आपको बी लग रहा है तो, एंड आई एम नॉट येट सेइंग दैट दिस इज राइट और रॉन्ग.
पहले आप बताओ राइट है तो फिर मैं लॉजिक देता हूं.
अच्छा सर, मान लीजिए राइट है, फिर लॉजिक दीजिए।
गोदावरी के साथ मैं लिंक नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ राजा मुंद्री को एक्चुअली।
नहीं सर, गोदावरी इज इन दिस आंध्रा बेल्ट ओनली, पर ये आंसर रॉन्ग है।
तभी रॉन्ग भी हुआ।
नहीं, the same bridge is known as Godavari Bridge or Kovar Rajamundry Bridge. संजीव सर is writing Bogibeel Beach. सर आपको इस ब्रिज का बताना पड़ेगा। इस ब्रिज में अगर ये राइट है तो क्यों है, फिर मैं बताती हूँ कि राइट है।
सब I feel सब जगह में एक river and bridge है, but this is only the bridge. There is no connection of any river.
Sorry sir.
Okay.
This is also the wrong answer. I think now I should share the answer. Ara Chhapra Bridge is the odd one. Reason, बाकी तीनों bridges rail and road bridge दोनों हैं। मतलब these are on rivers and they have both rail and road connectivity. So ये 2 tiers में है ये bridges, and Ara Chhapra Bridge is only a road bridge. So India has 10 very magnificent rail cum road bridges, out of which the 3 which I have listed, Diga Sonpur Bridge, Kovar Rajamundry Bridge, and Bogibeel Bridge, they are amongst the 3 largest ones, the longest bridges, both rail and road. That's all. Thank you, Dipali ma'am. Thank you.
You are a great quiz master, ma'am. Great.
Thank you.
Yes, actually, and while we were conversing, she said that I really enjoy attempting the quiz and also conducting them, and that was really reflected, ma'am. Very interestingly kept the questions and very well conducted. Thank you so much, Shweta ma'am, for all your support.
Thank
and
you,
with that, we would like to conclude. Yes, sir.
I am back again. It's sorry for the interruption, the network problem.
Yes, sir. You lost connection in between. We were even looking that servers not in the list. You may continue, sir.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, I was talking about with regard to our relationship in ISTD. So I said with you, my long service is the service, that is military service. I had the privilege of developing a kind of passion for people and places. So while I joined the ISTD, I found much more bigger world, and wherein I found academic pursuits people have, they have discovered new horizon, and it was a unique world as such. With the various meetings, NC meeting, IFCDO meeting, the programs I attended with Anil Saab and other senior gentlemen with me, and it was very, very interesting. And soon I found that I landed at UNO, International Training Center, while I was conducting a program in ILD, Institute of Labor Development. And likewise, it gave me so much opportunity because, we all have the cognitive bias. Each one of us is made of the way we are brought up. Ever since till even now, everyone is unique by itself. So sooner you realize there is a uniqueness in each person, then you start learning from him. And you have something special to share, and you have much more with them. So you start growing as a person, as an individual, as a citizen, member of the chapter, member of the ISTD, and member of the country and society as a whole, world over. Phenomenally, you merge with the whole and whole merges with you. Look at how big person you become, not by virtue of amassing wealth, but not by virtue of rising to dizzy heights. What matters most is reaching out, seeking out, searching out people and places. And you see the world is changing. You become much more richer than everybody else. You'll start feeling that how dwarfed certain people are because they don't open up. So this is an opportunity we all get to open up ourselves fully in this life. So this is my one message to all of the people. But at the same time, who are volunteers to perform the various office bearer job, they should give due opportunity, take everybody in a fold. Anybody who becomes member, he should get an opportunity to be identified, recognized that he's one of us. And he should feel that he is available, every opportunity is available to him. And then we will have to follow those 3 principles: reach out, seek out, and search out. Sitting at home, getting cut off, you won't. You have only paid the money, and thereafter you just carry that you are a member of the IC. No use. So please take interest, all of us, motivate people, take them along, form their own world, and allow them to grow. That is another thing. The people who are fortunate to profound responsibility, Doctor, this young lady, Dipali, or the all are now, new gentlemen with us. You will see at what this age and stage of life, they will grow 100 times, many folds than what we could do. And now with the digitalization, look at what a grace of the God, and now opportunity with the digitalization, we can do so much in this world. So I'm really thankful to everybody, and Dr. P.K. Sharma has graced the occasion. It is a great honor to have our new RVP joining us, and all seniors, elders, and these young fellow, blushing and bubbling with confidence, something great. And I'm really touched by the various programs presented, projected, Veera's daughter, Veera herself, and likewise all these gentlemen. I have known each one because I found that special uniqueness, each one of them. So I'm really thankful for giving me a opportunity to share my thoughts. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Even we are grateful to have you here. And with that, we would like to end up this colorful evening and wishing again a very happy Diwali to all of you. And I'm really grateful that all of you took out time on Sunday evening and you witnessed the program, you graced the occasion. Thank you so much.
Grateful. Thank you. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Dipali, a lot of
Thank you.
personalized effort from your side. Wonderful. And of course,
Thank you.
Mr. Great. So, I believe one of the best Diwali Milans that I have witnessed. So, Dr. Amit, would you agree?
Definitely, it was one of the best, no doubt about it.
I remember हम लोग दिवाली मिलन के लिए कभी किसी रेस्टोरेंट में मिलते थे, कभी कहीं मिलते थे, and then we made it with spouses also at times. That invitation was extended. But despite the Corona crisis, I mean, I must congratulate the young and dynamic team that you all have worked wonders very hard. So
Thank you so much. Thank you
especially
so much.
I
It
saw.
was a wonderful program.
Frankly, let me tell you, I will just take half a minute. I was pleasantly surprised when Dipali called up for a personalized thing. Ki, would you like to present something? And I was like, wow, they are making such efforts. And for whom? For me. So that was great. So
And that was really kind of you that you immediately accepted it, and very sporty you said that enough of speaking, I will definitely present something and I'm going to perform. So that was really great, and actually it was such a mesmerizing performance from both of you. Your daughter also sings really great.
In fact, a lot of appreciation and a lot of blessings for all three youngsters who have performed so well.
Yes.
So Rajvi and Ishanvi and Apratim. Congratulations, beta. You did very well. All three of you, you performed so well. We are so proud of you. All the best.
Everybody
Thank you,
enjoyed
sir.
the program. Yeah, everybody enjoyed the program. Very well organized. And Shweta has really worked really hard preparing all these presentations. And of course, it was a bit tough for people like us, but still we enjoyed like anything.
Even Shweta, Dr. Shweta was also
And Dipali keep on organizing such programs apart from the trainings and the lectures.
Shweta madam बोलेंगी कि अभी picture अभी बाकी है.
Sir, next
Now
meeting के लिए रखते हैं. कुछ तो for next time we'll keep in store ताकि मिलने के लिए we always have a reason to come together again.
On 2021 New Year program should also be organized in a similar way.
Well said. Well said.